We are just coming up for air after a week of doing a deep dive into nearly 5,000 pages of documents that were filed relating to Jeffrey Epstein and his horrific sex trafficking ring. The final rounds of documents unsealed in the case included a 2016 deposition in which Jeffrey Epstein was questioned himself about his role in the sex trafficking and pleaded the Fifth Amendment more than 500 times. The only question that he did answer when questioned by a lawyer for one of his accusers was about his name. But besides that, it was all his Fifth Amendment right against incriminating himself. He continued to invoke that time and time again. All in all, there were roughly 150 names that had previously been redacted in court documents that were unsealed over the past week and posted to the public court docket in Manhattan Federal Court, which is behind me. First off, it's important to know that these documents are all from a defamation lawsuit that is between Epstein's former girlfriend, Ghislaine Maxwell, and one of his accusers, Virginia Giuffre. And this lawsuit's been pending for years, but at some point, a newspaper, actually, the Miami Herald, they filed a request to unseal a bunch of documents, and the judge found that they could, and that's why we have this information. And it includes a lot of familiar names. There were a couple of new nuggets of information about Bill Clinton, who we know was close with Epstein. In undisclosed testimony, there was an accuser who said that Bill Clinton, quote, likes them young, referring to women. Clinton has denied wrongdoing. We also learned that a man that was close to Epstein testified that he would drop off women at the Epstein mansion in exchange for $200 per woman, which was a detail that we didn't know before. Frustratingly, there is no evidence that we've seen that there is a quote-unquote client list of the people who Epstein may have set up with these sexual massages. And we still don't know the true source of Epstein's fortune, which has been a question hanging over this case from the beginning. How did this man amass such a large fortune in such we believe such a short amount of time? There really wasn't anything in the nearly 5,000 pages of documents that spoke to that or shed more clarity on that. And that's still something we're scratching our heads about and hoping to get more answers on someday.